Hello everyone, I am Hamid Abdullah and thank you for getting some time to watch my video. So I am here again with with another lazy Sunday project, and today what I have created is called image spot detection. So what the actual idea is, uh, there would be an image with a lot of things in it, and we have to find a specific thing from the whole image area. And if we are able to find the actual thing, then it will just say true or correct, otherwise it will say no, not correct. So from where I got this idea, actually, in my childhood I played a game called Murder in New York, that was recommended, and uh, that was recommended by my elder cousin, and I have played on their laptop. So this is the game here, Murder in New York. So what actually we have to do in this game, there's a lot of scene in these games, and like this one. So we have to find some kind of some kind of stuff for investigation, like let's say this chair and this lamp and this Chinese hanging and other stuff. Okay, so let me download one image with a lot of things in it. So let's say find objects from the image. So let's see. Okay, that's good. It's a big image and it will be clear, so we can simply download it. Save images. Okay, so here, so getting started now. This is our game. We have to find the objects from the image. So here's a bunch of code here, like adding the image. I am attached the Firebase database with this uh, front end in Vue.js. So let me start my development server, saying npm run serve. So this is the code for adding the image, and this is the like client side. Actually, the basic idea is, a person from the admin panel will upload the image and specify the sports or the objects at that image, and then a client, or like we are at the client side, will try to find those objects. And this is the actual game component. So I did this all stuff in Vue.js, as I'm expert in Vue.js. So okay, so let's start from here. Let me close all these things. So I have two images previously added with 2 and 3 points. Let me delete this one. You can see this nice animation on the loading, so with blurring the background. So this is our home of for admins, and let me add the image. So I have uploaded the image. Let me go to downloads, and then this image here. So what's the best part of this application is, it's completely responsive. So if you have added the image right in here in this desktop view, you can try to find the images at exactly that point from a mobile screen or a tablet screen or whatever you are using. So let me say, for example, if I click here, you can see this little box will be created, and we can say we have to give some title here, like let me say the red flask, and we can edit the top position of this. So let me make it exactly to the square of covering that flask, like that. Okay, so I think that's enough. And at this point, so this point is being added, and this is, I think, a doctor, may or not be, maybe, or a doctor, or let's say head doctor. So, and for the left it's okay, and width and height Yeah, I think that's perfect. Increasing a little bit more. Okay, so let me say weight, adding this point here, and for this one let me edit the height a little bit, and saying it the title, for example, weight scale. Okay, we can add as much points as we want. So let me add two more and then we will continue. So in here let me say these one extras, x-rays, x-rays, sorry for me RIP English. So left and width a little bit more, height, and a blood vessel maybe. Oh, oops, that point was not added actually. So let me just say this one as x-ray, and this one as an helper doctor, top left, width and height. Okay, so let me add this point. Here's some junk here like this blood vessel and some other stuff. So here we have weight scale. So don't mess up with these this stuff. Just say this is not actually a weight scale. Tarazu, let's add some Urdu. So width and height at this point, and then we can simply save this by clicking on the save button. So it's getting uploaded to the Firebase database with all these points. So we have total 6 points here, and let's play the game in the client side front. So here, if let me add one more image. For example, let's say this one maybe. So I can simply say this is actually a thumbnail. So word, logo, top is okay, left okay, width, let me increase width a little bit, let me say 400 or simply 300. I think this is perfect, and for this also 300, just perfect. So let me add this. Oh, I just forget to add the point, so just delete this one and try again. So let's see again, 300 and something, 350, 320, and making it also to 3271 and adding this point and saving this image. So we have all the correct operations, not but update. We have C, R and D. So let me go to the client side. So we have 1 and 2 images here. Let's play this one. So ready to start the game. So okay, fine, Tarazu, it's here, correct, and helper doctor, this one. But let me click outside of this one. So let's say this one, no anything will be happen because this is actually not the answer. So if I click on this doctor, it will say not correct, and also in the flask we have added, so it's not correct. So if I click on this one, it will say correct, and then it will say x-rays. Let me click here and there, just no anything will be happen. When I click on this flask or something incorrect, this will say not correct, and when I click on x-rays, it says correct. And then weight scale, here's the weight scale, and head doctor, here's a head doctor and the red flask. So let me click on this red flask, and this one, no anything happening, again not correct. So if I click on this flask, you can see it's correct. So you can actually make the game based on this one, like the murders in the New York. This is a very interesting game I have played ever. So thank you for recommending me this, dedicated to that cousin. So because from this game I got this idea of this all stuff. So I'm really happy coding this game. This is a little game, and we can extend this game to our needs. Like we can actually made something like just rather than adding the points, we can add the images. So when someone clicks on this image, it will be removed from this all area with a nice animation. So maybe we can do a lot of stuff, but due to shortage of time, i I just compiled this basic idea of the game, so me others can use that. So if I go again to the client side front, let's play this one, and ready to start the game, find nothing. Actually we don't added any title, so it's saying nothing, but we know that we have added this point. Okay, so it's okay. So that's all. That's for this Sunday, and that was my lazy Sunday project. So please let me know in the comment box how you like my these crazy projects I did on my Sundays. So yep, give me more suggestions what you want me to do for the news next Sunday. And with that, thank you very much. Goodbye.